Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to Mark Custom's Garage. Man, hey, let me show you how I feel real quick. All right, I know that's not what you guys came here to my channel to see me do, is act a fool. Maybe you did. If you do, hey, I'll act some more fools along the way. Anyways, behind me, y'all, we got the Crossfire Pro, dog. We got the Crossfire Pro in the house. That's right. Man, hey, if you guys don't know what a Crossfire Pro is, it's a CNC table, okay? For the hobbyist or small business. And this is gonna fit my needs. You see, I'm still trying to get my breath. Bear with me. Anyhow, so it's in the box. It's obviously in the box right now. But we're gonna take it out and check it out. All right, we got everything unwrapped. Let me go ahead and show you guys what's included in this kit. All right, we've got the big box. We've got some saran wrap. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, so check it out. All right, sorry. Here we are. We've got the rails, and it looks like we've got the this little pole here that holds some of the cable from your plasma torch. And speaking of plasma torches, we'll get to that later. But anyways, it looks like these are the slats that, or the slat holders that these slats go into. On the table, this is the table. The table comes in two pieces, and then you are supposed to glue it along that center. I haven't decided if I'm going to go that route or take it to a buddy of mine and have him TIG weld this table solid so it's one piece. But we'll cross that road when we get there. So anyways, and then it looks like these are the supports for the table, and these are that's the drain right there where you drain the water out. And looks like those are the, I don't know what you call it, but hey, I'm new to this, just like you will be too. Those are like the little roller guides or something for the gantries. I could be totally wrong, so don't take my word on that. Looks like we got a bunch of hardware in this box, and looks like we got even some hardwiring kit going on. Oh, and it says it right there. It's a torch firing hardware, and then a bunch of bolts for the table. The bolts bolted together. Then there's this nice little piece for the laptop stand. It's pretty nice. And over there we have the stepper motors, I believe they're called. Those run the X, Y, and Z axis, I believe. This is all new to me. And all I know is these mount on that. Then, you know, we'll cross that road when we get there. Once again, looks like these are some end caps they send you, and some other hardware, and some looks like we got some wires, some metal plates, and some USB cords, and then even a little welcome booklet. Let's look in here. Gives you some vital information in there. Anyhow, and then we have, oh, look at there, it says cut above the rest. That's what I'm talking about. Bring industrial capabilities to your shop with a machine that won't quit. Then we got the brains of the operation. It's got the Z motor, Y axis motor. Oh, I'm sorry, Y2, Y1, and then X Yeah. So anyhow, that's the torch on and off. The USB input. And the torch height controller. IHS. Don't know what the heck that is. It's all new to me. I don't know how many times I gotta say that. Anyhow, yeah, let's move along. So this is where that torch height controller mechanism goes into play. Your torch mounts here. And then that's the torch height controller. And then here, they give you those little threads. Don't know what the exact term for those. Don't hate me because I don't. Anyhow, y'all. No, this is all new to me, y'all. This is all new to me. Flip it around. All right. So, the Langmuir system. It came packaged very, very well. And just like everyone else said, it came packaged very, very well. I don't have any bumps or bruises, doesn't look like, and any of this shipping. It came packaged very well. So, I got a surprise for you guys. It's not just a table that we're unboxing here, but with plasma cutting comes dry air. You need dry air. And let me show you guys something that I found on Facebook Market. You know, I don't know how many times you guys heard me say Facebook Market on my YouTube channel, but I am always on Facebook Market trying to find a deal. And in that box right there, I found a deal, y'all. Let me go ahead and lift it up for you with one hand because I'm so freaking talented. Oh, snap. What is that? That is a Ingersoll Rand refrigerated air dryer. That is gonna help me get the cleanest cuts possible, y'all, with this CNC plasma cutting table that I have here today. Look at that. I got the inlet, outlet, and just spin it around. It's got the fans right there. Haven't figured out exactly where I want to mount this thing in the shop, but I actually probably won't even mount it in the shop. I'll probably mount it in my basement. So if you're asking what model it is the D42IT. And it's a refrigerated air dryer. It's gonna give me the cleanest air possible. Even has like a little automatic purge right here to drain all the water out that it catches. So yeah, and you know, while we're on the topic of air, let me just show you my air system that I have right now. That's for my air dryer system. Might as well. So over here is my Super Bowl champion compressor. No, I'm just kidding. It's the Cobalt 60 gallon compressor. So up above it, I got the air being routed to my dry. Oh, sorry, it's a regulator. It's my regulator. And then above the regulator, I have they call it the toilet paper. Excuse me. Oh, they call it like the toilet paper freaking dryer or something like that. Yeah. Anyhow, I'm trying to get you in there. Sorry if I couldn't. It's a motor guard is what it is. It's a motor guard. And those are pretty badass. They do work very well. And then I've got it being quick connected all the way up to the ceiling, all the way over to the ugly ceiling. Oh yeah, over into the shop. So anyway, that's my air dryer system right now. So powering the Langmuir Pro CNC table, we will have this Miller Spectrum 875 powering the table. It is CNC ready from the factory. It also has a wiring kit that they sell for this. That way you don't have to hardwire anything into your very, very expensive plasma cutter. So those are all the wires that they sell for that plasma cutter. And then, like I said before, we're not going to use the handheld torch. We have a quick connect, which is right here. Sorry, which is right here. And that way I'll be able to switch between the handheld torch if need be, and didn't tell you guys about this. Voila! We've got a machine torch for the miller, and this is the quick connect. So it's literally like within seconds you're either plasma cutting or I'm sorry, you're either handheld plasma cutting or you are plasma table cutting. So this is the 25 footer. So the miller torch is an awesome torch to have when you're cutting thick steel for long periods at a time. It'll withstand heat and will always cut with precision. Well, hey guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the unboxing of this CNC Langmuir Crossfire Pro table. Well, hey, yeah, so our next video, we will be assembling this table right there. Oh shoot, it was at the table. That was the table. Well, hey, yeah, it's built in this video, but you're not gonna see it until the next one. All right, so hang in there, guys. We're gonna get this thing built and fired up for the first time ever. All right, so hey, if you guys didn't notice, how do you guys like the quality of this video, huh? I switched it over from my my phone, which I've been recording on this entire time, over to my my professional camera that has been sitting over in the dust, just waiting for me to pick it up to make some high quality videos for you guys. But you know, anyhow, let me know what you guys think of the quality of the video in the comments. I would appreciate your feedback, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. All right, stay humble, hustle harder, peace.